back to my channel. I am ARA. Thank you so much for being here today. I am so excited to bring this look to you guys today. I decided to bring you a little red Christmas moment. For those of you who are not drag queens, you can still do this look on Christmas. Just let's tone it down a little bit. Maybe not put our eyebrows in the middle of our forehead. Might be a good idea. But anyways, I really hope that you guys enjoy this video today. I had so much fun doing this look. I love the way that it turned out. It's just this red smoky eye with a glitter cut crease. It's just absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I hope you do too. Make sure you guys go down and subscribe because too many of you are watching my videos and not subscribing. So make sure you go down below and subscribe. And yeah, thank you so much for being here today. And let's go ahead and head on over to the transformation station. Don't you dare put that in the video.
If it picked up, I'm putting it in there.
I really hope it didn't. That's why I tried to do it as quietly as possible. Okay guys, so I went ahead and did my brows and my base, contour, everything off camera. If you want to see how to get to this step, you can go back and watch my drag queen makeup tutorial. I'll link everything down below to go back and watch that video. So on that note, we're just going to be doing eyeshadow and lips today. So, I'm gonna take this red, and we're just gonna start by putting that in the outer corner. And we're just gonna blend that all throughout the crease and really just smoke it out. Real fluffy like.
On the finger that's missing the nail. I'm not trying to start it. I know that. Normally you start the shit. I'm not starting shit with you.
So what she just did, out of everything that has happened, she decided to come for my one nail that is not on my hand, which you guys probably didn't even notice until she said something.
I did. Intruder alert.
Watch next week's video to see what creature just said that. Oh my god. Can we kick her out?
No.
Oh my god!
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no.
Deeper red. I don't know if you understood what I just said. This is the ASMR section of my video. I'm now using a deeper red, and we're gonna apply that throughout the crease. And we're just... See, I can't do this with my other hand because I'm missing a nail. But we're just gonna apply the deeper red into my crease to make it deeper. An ASMR and a mukbang are two different things, but some people put them together and that's how they became popular.
ASMR getting your taxes done, where it's just a lady
The-
she's like flipping through papers and typing.
Yeah.
Bro, it'll give me the chili willy.
It's good. It's good.
What's the point of ASMR?
It just, it makes you feel like, somebody yesterday, I was literally like typing on my phone and it was like quiet in the room and he was just like,
2 hours later.
no, it's not sexual. It's just, it's that like hairs on the back of your neck stand up.
Right. Have you ever like gotten a gift wrapped by someone, and like when you're watching them wrap the gift, you'll like get chills?
Yes.
You know what I mean? It's like that. It's like a weird.
that feeling.
20 minutes later.
It doesn't have to be sexual.
Your senses will get like
So it's just
triggered by
Yeah.
stuff. The ASMR haircut thing is like they set the camera up. Like if you're the camera, it's someone like doing like this behind the camera and like brushing the camera with scissors, like kind of like you're getting your haircut.
okay.
And like
I thought they were using like a clip or something.
They do that too.
Oh, okay.
I love it.
Just all the sounds that you would hear in a salon. So I'm now going to go in, now that we've blended out all the red and it's nice and sexy, nice and sultry, nice and red, we're gonna go in with just a little bit of black, and I'm going to deepen up that outer corner and then just a little bit on the inner corner. Okay. Yes. Ding. When she puts on her blush, she goes.
Hi, I'm Arvest, and you're watching the Disney Channel.
And you're watching my makeup channel.
No one ever does that right.
Here we go.
Never do
First.
it.
Have you seen the videos where people will like actually draw where they put it, and it's like. I know you just blew confetti out of my mouth. How do I look? Feel like good.
Yeah, she needs help. Is this too much blush?
Yes.
I kinda like it.
Perfect is a strong word that I wouldn't use. If you would stop talking.
You ain't. So what's the point?
That's so weird.
Bitch!
You are ready. You are ready.
I didn't think she was actually gonna throw it.
When I gotta drive the bus. Give me my wig.
This is my Billie Eilish before she puts her green on.
It kind of looks like you have a Santa hat
Almost.
on. Okay, thank you.
Good. So now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna use a little bit of concealer and I'm gonna carve out a crease. And it's gonna be a little inner corner crease. I'm not gonna do the whole thing, it's just gonna be on the inner corner. You know, because it make the eyes open up and be all poppy.
Are you making fun of this?
Sure. Oh, yeah.
Some people are so touchy.
Wow.
We're just gonna pack that red shadow right to the outer part of that concealer that we just put down to help it blend. Now I'm gonna go in with a pressed silver glitter and I'm just gonna press it on top of that. So with my concealer, I went ahead and put the red back on the outer corner because going in specifically with a pressed glitter, it will be too chunky and you won't be able to actually get that blend that you need. Because you won't be able to put eyeshadow over the glitter, so the glitter needs to be the last thing that you put on. Sorry, I just felt like I needed to get that out. So now I'm going in with a super light, kind of opal iridescent shade. I'm gonna apply that right to the inner corner just to open it up a little bit more and really just draw that attention to the inner corner. Okay, so now, why did I turn into the camera like that? Okay, so now that Sunday school. Okay.
Excuse me.
I literally was about to start talking. Okay, so now that I am done doing that glitter and that inner corner highlight, I'm just going to go in with that same color that we used on the inner corner. And we're gonna, that was not English. And I'm going to apply it to my brow bone.
I'm soaring, flying, there's not a star. Boy, did you wet, girl.
You snorted.
Anyways, enough about me. Back to the video.
God! Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the same red eyeshadow and the black eyeshadow that I used earlier. I'm just going to do my lower lash line. And yeah. Okay, so now that I am done with my lower lash line, I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to do my eyeliner and my lashes, and I'll be right back to finish up the look. Okay, so now that I am done with my eyes and I went ahead and did my lashes and everything off camera, I'm going to go ahead and grab just a dark red eyeshadow and do my lip liner. We're gonna put a bright red lip on the inner part of my lip. So I overline my lips, even though my natural lip takes up about half of my face anyways. I still like to overline because when you're doing this dramatic of an eye and your eyebrows are on your forehead, you need to balance it out. And my natural lip is not the shape that I like to have in drag. My Cupid's bow is weird and not the way that I would like it to look. And so by overlining, I'm able to create the exact shape that I want. Okay, and just like that, wait, no, I want to put on gloss. So I'm gonna put on a gloss. This is just a really pretty iridescent pink one. And I'm just gonna apply that to the lip. Perfect, nice and juicy. And so on that note, I am done with the makeup. I'm going to go off camera, I'll put on my wig, and a costume, I guess. That's it. I'll be right back. And that is it. I have fully transformed. I went ahead and put on this wig, which was made by Queen Bee Ho. She's absolutely amazing. I went ahead and popped on this costume. Just a little red moment. And yeah, I thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I had so much fun doing this look for you guys. Make sure you tag me on Instagram if you decide to recreate this look at ARA_vanity. And make sure you go down below, like, comment, subscribe, and I guess that's it. So, till next time, bye.